What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be teaching how to make a sign-in, sign-up application. So this will be useful for our later applications. Like if we make an app like Instagram, we can make an app like YouTube. So we can make an app like video calling app and WhatsApp kind of app, like chatting app, more high versions. Till now I haven't made a no name chat app. Soon, guys, as soon as possible, I have already the idea how to make like a name chatting app. Means, yeah, if you send anything, you'll have a notification as well. You can reply from the notification as well, and you can dismiss from the notification. So many things I'll be teaching you, but before that we have to learn how to use so many components. Then only we'll be able to do those kind of apps. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a sign in sign up app. Okay, so I'll just keep this to center. Okay, so here you need to go to layout, and here sorry, it's vertical arrangement. Okay, keep the width as well as the height both, it should be fill parent, something like this. Okay, here you can rename this to sign up arrangement. Okay, so this is our sign up arrangement. Here you need to put, okay, so I'll just keep this to center. Okay, all right. Okay, so here what you have to do is drag and drop to text box. You can put space as well. Okay, it's your wish. So what I'll do is I'll just put a button just for space. Okay, and just remove the text over here and keep the background color as none. Okay, so it will just provide us a bit space. Here they will put their username. So just leave this button. You can put a horizontal arrangement instead of that. Okay, here they will put their password. Okay, sorry, remove this one, guys. Put password text box. Yeah, this one, this is the correct one which you have to put. Okay, and here you need a horizontal arrangement over here. Okay, put this one. Keep this horizontal arrangement width as fill parent, and here uh, drag and drop a button like this, and keep the text as like we want it to be like visible, so that they'll be able to see the password what they are typing. So like let's put visible itself. Here you can just download an image from Google. Okay, so just a second. Layout, horizontal arrangements inside this. Okay, and here height is not automatic, it should be about maybe 8%. Yeah, fine. So here width also we just will reduce it to 2%. No. 5 will be good. Yep. Okay, so here this will visible the password which they will be typing. So here center. Okay, so it looks something like this. You can make it however you want. And here below that put a button. You also need a notifier. Here create an account. Okay, so here this is the create an account button. Alright, so it looks something like this. That's it for this the sign up arrangement, nothing else. We'll just put another screen. Click on add screen over here, screen 2. Okay, so let's wait for some time so that it loads the second screen. Okay, so we'll just design the second screen because there is basically nothing in the, like, designing that. Okay, so this is our screen 2. So I'll just tell you what I have to do. Okay, So guys, basically I just did nothing. I just put a label called welcome, and I just changed the background color of the screen. Okay, so here if you want to remember the user, like if they open the app again, they should not log in. If you want to do that, that also you can do. That also you can do. That's also very simple. But here I know that how to do, but I'll not be teaching you in this video because I don't want to make it lengthier and complicated so fast. So yeah, okay, so here I will put another arrangement, and I will arrange the same thing, and I'll explain to you guys. And one more thing, guys, to just get to know, you can just put a sign up label. And yeah, one more thing, you have to drag and drop a tiny database, so that's where our information will be stored. Okay, so I'll just do the rest of the things, and I'll explain it to you guys full clearly. So this is another vertical arrangement which I have done. So everything, guys, I'll just do and come back. Okay guys, we have done. You can rename all these text box and buttons and stuff, because I will easily remember this sign in arrangement. First is the label, so just don't take that. Okay, and I just renamed it as sign in arrangement over here. This is the text box 2 where the user will put their username, and this is the password text box 2 where the user will put his password. Okay, I did not enable the visible option because I don't think so it will be useful. Okay, and this is the sign in button. So here we have done. Yeah, one last thing which is there. So keep, yeah, here you type don't have an account, sign up. Don't have an account, sign. Right, so here it looks something like this. So you can design however you want, guys. You're free to do. Okay, so yeah, so let's do this now. So let's go to the blocks. I don't want to make this video lengthy at all. Okay, so let's finish the pass sorry, this fast. Okay, so there's the sign in button. So when sign in button click, okay, so if, sorry, it's control, if text box 2 dot text, yeah, text box 2 dot, sorry, this password text box 2, if you need, and you also need, or, okay, so okay, fine. Here go to text is empty. If text box 2 dot text, and connect this, and password text box 2 dot text, or duplicate this. So yeah, the same thing, you just have to connect it over here. Go with this side, yes. So what basically it is, like if uh, you know if text box 2 dot text is empty and password text box 2 dot is empty, or if text box 2 dot text is empty and password text box 2 dot text is empty, means if any one or both of them is empty, here put one else block here, like this. Okay, then notifier, where is notifier, yeah, notifier 1, show alert notice. So the text should be, please do not leave anything blank. Okay, I'll just type that and come. So guys, it looks something like this, please do not leave anything blank. Okay, so this, okay, else what it should do is, so here just put one if block, else if here okay, so this one, duplicate this, this is the and one. Okay, and this block, sorry, delete this one. Oh, Why? Sorry. Okay. Equals to, if text box 2 dot text uh, is equals to, okay, so I'll just delete these blocks and this. If text box 2 dot text is equals to um, tinydb get value. Okay, so here you can we'll later store the tag and stuff, but for now uh, let's keep the tag as name, so that come on. So the tag will be name. Okay, and uh, here duplicate this part, delete. Password text box 2 dot text is equals to tag, it's password. Okay, so guys, that's it for this part. Soon I will come back with another part. Okay, because it'll be very lengthy, so I'll try my best to finish it in the next part. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna meet you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, smash that bell icon, and also if you have any doubts, comment or ask me in the ATN's comments website, which the link is given in the description below. So you can ask me any doubts or give me suggestions. All suggestions are, like, you can give all suggestions. So guys, thanks for watching.